Good morning kids. Today we will start a new chapter, that is Plains, Desert and Islands in India. Here you can see in page number 20 many pictures. The first picture shows different landforms in India. The second picture shows Ganga river flowing through the northern plain. Third picture is about the Thar desert. You can see camels walking through the Thar desert. Fourth is a picture of famous island, Andaman Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Here there is a question. The question is, you have to name two rivers that originate from Himalayas. You have to write the answer in your notebook. Please do mention the correct date, chapter name, chapter number, and please mention the question also. Next, we will move to page number 20. Here you can see a diagram which shows the physical division of India. The first one, northern plains, second, the Thar desert, third, the coastal plain, fourth, the islands. We will discuss about this in detail. Now, we are going to learn about the northern plains. But before that, let's see what is a plain. The flat area on the earth's surface is known as plain. This is the map of India and you can see the green color is the northern plain. It is situated at the foothills of Himalayas. It stretches from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It lies in the path of many rivers. These rivers carry soil, small rocks and fine sand and clay and deposit it in the plains. This type of soil is known as alluvium and it is very fertile soil. It helps in growing different types of crops. Many industries are also set up in these northern plains due to the flat surface and availability of enough water. You can also find large numbers of cities, towns built along this bank of these rivers. These are the states which comes under this northern plain. You can see Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and in the east Assam and Tripura. Here there is an analytical skill in page number 22. Here you have to read the effect given below and write down the cause for it. Write the correct answer in your notebook with proper date. Now we will move to the life of people living in northern plain. In page number 23, you can see a small table. This table shows the main states that are located in the northern plain. First, we will discuss about Punjab and Haryana. These are the important cities in Punjab and Haryana. And do you know, Punjab and Haryana have a common capital, that is Chandigarh. Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Gurgaon, Faridabad, Sonipat are the important cities in Punjab and Haryana state. Then these are the different types of crops grown here: rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, oilseeds, bajra and so on. This state is famous for automobile industries, dairy farming, agro-based industries and textile industries. These are the different festivals celebrated in these two states: Lohri, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Teej, Guru Purab. Baisakhi and Holi are the harvest festival. You have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation for the other states given in this table. You have to mention the important cities, the types of crops, the industries they are famous for and the festivals they celebrate. Now, let's discuss the importance of northern plain. This northern plain is also known as granary because large quantity of crops are grown here. Next, due to the flat surface, it helps in the development of roadways and railway station. Third, it has many industries due to its flat surface and availability of enough water. The fourth, the dams built on these rivers located in northern plain produce electricity and produce water for cultivation. So, these were some of the importance of northern plain. This northern plain consists of 3 river basins. Before that, let us see what is a basin. The area through which river and its tributaries flow is known as basin. So, this northern plain consists of 3 river basins. First, Satluj basin, Ganga basin and Brahmaputra basin. Satluj basin is a major part of Indus basin. Satluj basin is located in the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana. Ganga basin is located in 11 states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and so on. Brahmaputra is located in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Sikkim, West Bengal, Meghalaya. This is the picture of river Satluj that flows through Himachal Pradesh. Next is the Ganga river that flows in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Brahmaputra river flowing through Assam. So, these were some of the features of northern plain. Now, we will learn about the next landform, that is desert. So, what is a desert? It is a large area of dry land without any vegetation. The Thar desert of India lies in the western part of India. It is also known as the Great Indian Desert or the Western Desert. You can see here in the map, it stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat till the border of Haryana. It covers major part of Rajasthan and extends into Pakistan. This is the map of Indian rivers. You can see the desert consists of a narrow river, that is Luni. It is the only river. This area receives very less rainfall or no rainfall. Due to this, the climate is very dry and the soil is sandy. Crops like cactus and babul grow in desert because these needs less amount of water. In some places in desert, you can see oasis. It is an area where you can find water and plants and trees are grown around it. Most of the villagers set up their village near this oasis. Apart from growing crops, they have cattle, goats, camel. Camel is known as the sheep of the desert as it can move long distance without food and water. It produces milk and hair of camel can be used to make clothes. This is a picture of Paniharis. These are the women of desert who go long distance to carry water. Now, let us discuss about the Banjaras. These are the people living in the desert who do not have any permanent house. They wander from one place to another in search of food and water. These are the important towns and cities of the desert. This is Hawa Mahal found in Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer. These are the famous tourist destinations in this desert area. The famous festivals celebrated are Teej, Gangur, Holi, Diwali, Dasera and so on. So, these were the features of Thar desert. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.